Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So we had a bearish start to the day with some geopolitical events with Iran to start, and then we had the tax plan pushed off to 2019. That was another dump, and in 2017 fashion, the bulls are buying the dip yet again. We're bouncing off the daily middle Bollinger Band, holding that support, and we closed extremely strong. This is the highest close we've seen on SPY here in the fourth highest close in history, fifth highest close. So certainly not that much downside action. The bulls bought the dip aggressively. We have a new base of support. So we had 256.19 as the last little dip low. Now it's 256.36. So that is a higher low. The bulls closed strong, and we're looking back up at a couple resistance levels before the all-time high. 258.39, 259.22, all-time high 259.35. So the bulls are right there, and if we see a green day tomorrow, we're going to end this week extremely strong, and that's shown on the weekly chart if we get a green day. But as of right now, it is a doji. It's an indecision doji, which favors the bears. We've seen a ton of bearish reversal candlesticks on weekly time frames that have not followed through, which has led me this year to really put all the weight in the daily chart in terms of noting a break in the higher lows that would lead to some legitimacy in terms of looking for weekly chart weakness. But where we stand right now, I would not call the doji a bearish reversal doji until we lose the higher low pattern. IWM on the daily time frame, we have the lower Bollinger Band resistance. We lost it as support 2 days ago. We rejected from it the past 2 days, and we're hitting lower lows. And we also are hitting lower highs and lower lows. So the high of the last 2 days, 147.45, 147.39, clear resistance that the bulls are going to have to get over to see some kind of bounce play out. And in terms of support, it's down at 145.28, and if 145.28 breaks, again, we have a lack of support. So 145.16, and then down to 144.18 comes after that. So on the weekly time frame for IWM, losing the exponential supports if we see a close here or lower tomorrow. So it's important for the bulls to see a green day and close over 147.19 to keep this support if they want to continue it being a healthy bull flag of consolidation, which is certainly possible. And even if we don't, it's certainly not game over. This is a very strong weekly chart regardless of how we close this week. But the daily chart is certainly favoring the bears in the short term ever since we broke 147.22. QQQ, there's that consolidation, but again, bulls buying the dip aggressively. Our higher low was 150.77. We have a new higher low at 152.11, and just the all-time high resistance from here. So if we have a green day, tomorrow we're going to end this week extremely strong. The weekly chart, if we have a red day, it's going to be a bearish reversal candlestick. But again, we had a bearish doji 3 weeks ago, didn't do anything, just saw follow-through. So if we see a green day tomorrow, we're going to close above the upper Bollinger Band with another strong close in the tech sector and QQQ both. But if we see a red day, we'll be watching for the potential of losing these daily higher lows that have been so strong just in the past 2 weeks. So essentially, today's left us with new higher lows to be watching on the daily charts, and tomorrow's going to be telling as to whether or not we see continuation with bull momentum looking for new all-times into next week, or whether the bull momentum at the end of today putters out a little bit and we fall back a bit. So we'll check back in over the weekend. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.